Get a detailed analysis of Asian Paints Limited now. Asian Paints Limited is one of the leading paint companies in India. It is involved in the business of manufacturing, selling, and exporting paints and coatings. The company operates in India and other markets including Middle East, Asia, and Africa. This makes it a significant player in the global paint industry. One of the major reasons why Asian Paints Limited has been so successful is because of its strong emphasis on innovation and customer satisfaction. It consistently engages with customers to understand their needs and then develops products that meet those needs. Apart from this, the company has also been focusing on expanding its presence in new markets and diversifying its product portfolio to cater to the needs of different customers. With its strong financial position and well-established brand, Asian Paints Limited is a company to watch out for in the paint industry. For more in-depth analysis and insights on other companies, make sure to subscribe to our channel.